Hello everyone. Want that smoky grilled taste without stepping outside? If you are searching for the best indoor grill with air fry, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Tech Product, where we explore smart kitchen tools that make life easier and tastier. Today's appliance does it all. Let's get started. Meet the George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill with Air Fry. This is not just a simple grill, it is a complete indoor cooking system designed to bring outdoor-style grilling straight into your kitchen. George Foreman created this model for people who want speed, flavor, and versatility in one compact appliance. One of the biggest highlights is its 7 cooking functions. You can grill, air fry, roast, bake, slow cook, broil, and even keep your food warm. That means you are not limited to burgers or steaks. You can prepare crispy air-fried vegetables, juicy roasted chicken, baked dishes, or slow-cooked meals, all using the same machine. It saves counter space and replaces multiple appliances with one smart solution. At the heart of the George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill with Air Fry is Intelligrill Technology. This system combines dual heating elements with optimized airflow. In simple terms, heat is distributed more evenly and efficiently around your food. As a result, meals can cook up to 65% faster than traditional indoor grills. You spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your food. This grill can reach up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That high temperature is important because it gives you a rich, professional-level sear. Meats come out with a beautiful crust on the outside while staying juicy on the inside. Even better, you do not need to flip your food. The design allows both sides to cook evenly, which makes the whole process easier and cleaner. Another feature that really stands out is its ability to cook food straight from the freezer. There is no need to defrost. You can take frozen meats or vegetables and have them fully cooked in about 22 minutes. This is perfect for busy days when you forgot to plan ahead. It saves time without sacrificing flavor or texture. Despite offering so many functions, the George Foreman Beyond Indoor Grill with Air Fry remains compact. It fits comfortably on most kitchen counters. The overall design feels modern and sturdy. The controls are simple to understand, so you do not feel overwhelmed by all the options. Everything is built to make cooking smooth and stress-free. Because of the optimized airflow and dual heating elements, food cooks evenly from all sides. You get consistent results whether you are grilling, air frying, or baking. This consistency helps you feel more confident when trying new recipes. The combination of high heat, fast cooking, and multiple modes makes this appliance extremely flexible. It handles everyday meals and more creative dishes with the same ease. George Foreman has clearly focused on delivering performance, convenience, and great taste in one device. Ready to transform your kitchen? Check the price link in the description and see if this grill is the right fit for you. And if you enjoy discovering powerful kitchen gadgets, do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.